Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen T-Roc. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a leather trim.